Hello student, this is Harpreet here and today in this video lesson you will learn about how we do functions in the Excel. We are working with the functions in Excel. First of all, I will tell you the uh, sum function through the order sum, how we can use that function. First of all, you will uh, write a data in the Excel like me, like serial number, kg and grams. I have this value and I want to uh, apply the functions on it. Then first of all, I want to apply the sum function through the auto sum option. Then first of all, I will select the cell where I want to apply the formula. Then secondly, click on the home tab. By default, we are on the home tab, but if we are not, then we click on the home tab first. First, you will click on the cell where you want to do to perform the formula. Then you will click on the home tab. Then you will click on the auto sum option. Then it will display a list box. In this you have see so many functions. Then I will click on the function. Then you will see on the screen it will select a range from the C2 and C4. You can see the formula equal to sum, then parenthesis open here, then C2 colon C4, then parenthesis close. It's called parenthesis, not bracket. Then you can click on the enter. Your total will be displayed on the your C5 cell. So it's work like that. I will repeat it again. First of all, you will select, first of all, I will delete the value. First of all, you will select the cell, go to the home tab, then go to the editing group. This is the editing group. Then click on the auto sum. Then a drop down list is displayed on your screen. Then you will see the so many functions in it. Then you will click on the sum function. Then look at C5 cell. It will select the cells from C2 to C4. Then you will click on the enter. Then 15,000 total is displayed on the cell C5. So this is the way you can use sum function through the auto sum. Now I will tell you how we can perform the maximum function and the count function. Before I will tell you these functions, I want to talk about the function parts. There is a three function part. One is equal to, then that is sum, that is then नंबर जिसमें हम लोग रेंज देते हैं लाइक C2 colon C4. So I want to explain the three parts of your function. This is the three parts of your function. The one is equal to sign. The second one is function name. Like कोई भी हो सकता है, sum, count, minimum, maximum, if. These all are the functions are using in Excel. So this one is your arguments, जिसमें आपने क्या किया हुआ है, रेंज दी हुई है C2 से लेके C4 तक. So this is your argument. So a function have three parts. The one is equal sign, the second one is the function name, and the third one is your arguments. Now we will talk about the count formula. Okay. So first of all, place your cursor in C5 cell, then go to the home tab, same criteria, editing group, then you will click on the auto sum option, then you will click the max function. Now you will see the max function will select the range, automatically select the range जिसमें हमें उसको count करना है. Then we just press on the enter key. Then it will display the maximum number of this column. Like 8,000 is the maximum number because 2,000 and 5,000 is less than 8. So that's why it displayed 8,000. So this is your maximum function. Now I will tell you about the count function. ओके, आई वॉन्ट कितने इसमें ये कितने हैं, कितने यहाँ पे ग्राम्स दिए हुए हैं, तो उसको हमने काउंट करना है. तो सेम क्राइटेरिया, वी विल काउंट द, देन place the cursor, go to the home tab, then editing group, then auto sum, then you will click on the count numbers. ठीक है, then you can click on the enter. There is a 3 count. So it means that it Excel provide us a library function, मतलब उसमें इनबिल्ट फंक्शन है कि उसने अपने आप सिलेक्ट कर दिया, यू नो दैट। अदरवाइज हमें खुद करना पड़ता है, अगर मैंने इसे खुद अप्लाई करना है फॉर्मूला को तो मैं खुद भी कर सकती, बट एक्सेल प्रोवाइड दिस फीचर कि उसने ऑटोमेटिकली कर दिया। यू डोंट नीड टू काउंट वेयर इज योर कॉलम एंड वेयर इज योर रो, so it display automatically. You just place your cursor and select the formula, select the function. Okay, like same way अगर मैं खुद करना चाहती हूँ तो मैं कैसे करूँगी, इक्वल टू सम and parenthesis, then C2, then colon C4. You can see the blue dotted line on the column, then parenthesis close, the answer तो सेम आना है, but it's doing manually, हम लोग manually कर रहे हैं इसमें। लेकिन Excel provides a feature auto sum जिसमें ये सारे जो functions है already inbuilt हैं, we don't need to write manually, they just provide us and we can do calculations in it. So I hope you will learn about the different functions in Excel. Okay, thank you.